Hello, my name is Peyton Varney, and I am a senior environment artist in the video game industry. I am excited to announce a new course in partnership with the Essential Art Department that will be an intro to Unreal Engine for entertainment. If you don't already know, Unreal Engine is a powerful 3D game engine that has been adopted by a multitude of industries. Its ability to render real-time offers a significant advantage to speed and iteration. This 6-week course will cover all the basics that you need to know to get started in the industry as you pursue its use for industries like film, interactive media, games, and visualization. As Unreal Engine is used more and more across all mediums, from simple conceptual renders for live events to massive blockbuster films, this tool is beneficial in building your skills for 3D work in entertainment. During the 6-week course, it is comprised of weekly online Zoom sessions where we will spend 2 hours going over a lesson, go over any questions you may have, and talk about assignments and homework from the week before. At the end of the course, you will have a much stronger understanding on how Unreal Engine can help you in your industry, and also a piece of work dependent on your industry that can represent those skills. If this sounds like something that interests you, go to the link below and sign up now. I look forward to going on this adventure with you soon.